Hi, and welcome to the Positive Mindset Challenge. It's awesome that you're here. This 30-day challenge is packed with simple yet powerful tools which will pick you up when you're feeling down, increase your happiness, your productivity, and help you to feel good. Go through the whole 30 days and pick out the tools which feel right to you. Add as many of them as you can into your day, and I promise you will notice the difference in your life. Let's get started. You may think that it's the things that happen to you and happen around you that determine whether we have a good day or a bad day. But it's actually our thoughts and reactions to those things which make the difference to our day. You see, it's not what happens to us, but how we react to it that matters. When something doesn't go our way, we can choose to either feel upset about it and keep feeling upset about it and let it ruin our day, or we can choose to move on and think happier thoughts. This choice is so important because our reactions do so much more than just affect our mood. Every thought we think is also creating our future. Our thoughts not only affect how we feel in this moment, they also affect what happens to us in the moments, hours, and days ahead. We can think of our thoughts as being like magnets. Thinking negative thoughts and feeling unhappy creates a negative energy, which in turn attracts negative outcomes in our day. Thinking positive thoughts and feeling happy creates a positive energy, which in turn attracts positive outcomes in our day. With this in mind, can we deliberately use our thoughts and feelings to change the outcomes in our day? 100% yes. The first step is to notice what thoughts are going around and around in our head. Are they mostly positive or mostly negative? And how is this making us feel each day? Negative emotions will drain our energy and make us feel grumpy and irritable with those around us. They can also make us feel unsure about the world around us and our place in it. On the other hand, positive and happy thoughts and emotions broaden our feelings of possibility and open our minds to new ideas and new opportunities. This in turn allows us to develop new skills and find new resources to provide great value in all areas of our life. In order to start this process, we need to push the pause button on negative thoughts, negative conversations and complaints, and start framing things in the positive, thinking about the things that we do want instead of thinking about the things that we don't want or don't like. If you find it hard to stop the negative thoughts and are often feeling down or unhappy, then you've come to the right place. This program is specifically designed to not only show you why feeling happy and positive is so important, but most importantly, to help you create new positive habits to increase your happiness each day. This new way of thinking combined with your new positive actions will have an amazing effect on the outcomes in your day. To start with, I'm going to introduce you to 2 incredible breathing techniques you can use anytime you are feeling overwhelmed, stressed, anxious, nervous, or any negative emotion. These will help to calm your mind and body and allow you to brainstorm the next best step to help you in any situation. The first technique is box breathing. This is where you take a big deep breath in for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 4, breathe out for a count of 4, and then hold your breath out for a count of 4. Then you take another big deep breath in for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 4, breathe out for a count of 4, and then hold your breath out for a count of 4. You continue breathing like this, preferably with your eyes closed, until you have completed at least 4 big deep breath cycles. Then, when you're feeling better and your mind feels calmer and clearer, think to yourself, what's the best thing for me to do now? The second breathing technique is to take 4 big, deep, slow breaths in and out in your own time. And then think of something or someone who makes you smile on your 4th big breath and hold on to that happy thought. Both these options give our body a chance to relax and let go of the tension we are holding on to. They calm our mind and our nervous system and bring oxygen to our brain and our body. All during this challenge, I'll be teaching you many different ways to overcome anxiety, reduce stress, and bring more happiness, fun, and success into your days. Your challenge today is to choose one of these breathing techniques and give it a go. They each only take a minute or two, so they are very easy to fit into your day. Notice how much calmer and happier you feel afterwards. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.